What's up, guys? So I was going through WHAPI, which is a WhatsApp API platform, and it basically has a bunch of endpoints that let you do pretty much anything in WhatsApp. Um, and all these endpoints are available. The only issue is that their documentation isn't really that good. So, for example, I was trying to update the WhatsApp group settings, and I found like the endpoint for it, but the request body, like this is all it says, and this actually just creates like a new subject or a new like title for the group. It doesn't actually change the settings, and I wasn't sure where I could find how to change the settings anywhere. I couldn't find any documentation online. So after a bunch of research and trial and error, I found the settings for it, and I created a little chart. So these are the possible settings you can change, and these are what you can change them to. So I'll show you what it looks like um, in the API. So for example, if you wanted to change the messaging options to admins only, so you would have setting, which would be like option one. So you have to pick from one of these, and then you can change them to admin. So you have to write policy and then change it to admin. So you can write either admin or anyone. Same thing for the rest. So edit group info, approve participants, add participants can be, you can pick from any of these settings and change them to any of these policies, right? So that's pretty much it. One more quick thing is that since it's a JSON file, it'll only take um, the latest key. So, for example, if you were to do something like this, and instead of send messages, it was like edit group, right? Um, Edit group participants. So if you wanted to do something like this, it will only update the edit group participants and won't update the send messages. So basically what I'm trying to say is you're going to have to do this uh, from a different endpoint. So if you were going to do something like this in make.com, you would have to have one module to change the approval settings, one module to change like, who can add who, and one module to change like the messaging settings. So basically for all of these, you would have to have like one for each, so four total. So yeah, I hope that helped, guys. I couldn't find any of this info online, so I decided to just make a quick video about it. Hopefully it helps someone out. Thank you.